G'day Street Legends, I'm John.
I'm Erin.
And welcome to another episode of Street Legends Corner. We hope you had a fantastic weekend.
We had a good weekend. We didn't get out to any events this weekend. The weather played a bit of a part in that, but it did give us some time to do some extra behind the scenes intoxing, which was good.
Yeah, always good to have a bit of a tidy up.
Definitely.
But that doesn't mean that there isn't great videos for you to watch on our YouTube channel. So please head on over there. We have great things from burnouts to festivals to cars and coffee and everything in between, really, don't we?
Yeah, heaps on there.
So if you like that sort of stuff, please head on over, check them out, hit that like and subscribe button. With that being said, let's fire into this weekend.
Right, so kicking off on Friday. So Friday, Fat Ass have their April meet, and that's at Eumemmerring at Brownstone Micro Brewery at 5 p.m. Hopefully I said that right. Then we also have the Cadillac Nationals. They are on Friday and Saturday, and they're actually on Friday going to be driving through a few towns. So definitely head to their website to check out what times and towns they're going through. And then that's finishing up on Saturday at Echuca for the day. So that'll be a really good one.
Yeah, really big event, just like Cadillacs
Yep.
themselves.
Huge.
They're huge. So yeah, they don't
Yeah.
do anything by halves, that's for sure. So yeah, if you like your big American Cadillacs, get out there. I'm sure they've got some beautiful ones. I know that we see some great ones at the shows, don't we?
Yeah, we do. And that's it for Friday. So moving on to Saturday. Saturday, we have the Rokewood Show and Shine at the Rokewood Hotel at 8 a.m. DJM Detailing and Amped Auto Installations have an open day. That's in Long Gully at 9:30 a.m. Then at Shannons Showroom in Heatherton, there's the Black Tie Tour exhibition. And I believe that's mostly supercars. So yeah, if you're into supercars, that'd be really cool. I have a lot there to look at. That's at 11 a.m. And then we have the Westgate Wars 2026. It's a cruise from Port Melbourne to Bacchus Marsh, and that'll be at Port Melbourne at 12 p.m. Prostreet have a Westside car show fundraiser, and that's actually at the Calder Park BP at 5 p.m. So that should be a good one.
Yeah, just around the corner from us, and you know Prostreet, we love their events. So yeah, we'll probably be out at that one, I'd imagine.
Yeah.
So yeah, get on out there, say good day if you see us out there as well. There'll be some tough cars whenever Prostreet's involved. All the tough cars come out, that's for sure.
It'll be good.
So yeah, look forward to that one.
And then moving on, we have Queenscliff Tuff Street car meet, and that's at Queenscliff Brewhouse at 5 p.m. And then at Avalon Raceway, there's actually the Diggers Cup, and that is sprint and speed cars, and that's from 6 p.m. And then JDM versus the World, and that's a car meet and a cruise from DFO Essendon, and that's 6 p.m. And then the cruise is from 8:30 to Port Melbourne. That should be a good one. That's a good spot, that one. Heaps of parking. Yeah,
I like JDMs as well.
Yeah.
Get out there and support them for sure.
And that is it for Saturday. So moving on to John for Sunday.
All right, moving on to Sunday. We have a lot to get on Sunday. Okay. For those of you out in Benalla, there's a Cars and Coffee, and that's going to be kicking off at 8 a.m. Sorry. Then we have Toyota Car Club of Australia, and they're having a Cars, Coffee and Donuts at Lilydale, in Lilydale, at 8 a.m. Man, I love a donut.
Yeah, I know. Nice hot jam one, yeah.
Undera is having a bike, car and truck show at 8:30 a.m. and Aussie Classic Car Show at the Manhattan Hotel in Ringwood, and that's going to kick off at 8:30 a.m. Then we've got the Paynesville Cars and Coffee in Paynesville at 8:30 a.m. Moving on, we've got Warragul Cars and Coffee, and that's going to kick off at 8:30 a.m. in Warragul. Then we've got, I've heard a lot about this one, Northern Gal Classics, 4-wheel drives and coffee at TJM in Epping, and that's going to kick off at 9 a.m. Now, speaking of Northern Girl, she's going to be on the airwaves on the radio this afternoon. Yep. So if you'd like to hear Northern Girl on the radio, it's for Cars and Guitars. And that's going to be on the station at 3:20 p.m. this afternoon. And the radio station you want to tune into is 88.6 Plenty Valley FM.
That's cool. I like that.
That'll be something different.
Yeah, radio. I'll tune in for that. Sure.
Radio superstar.
Yeah.
That'll be good. I'll tune in. Caffeine and Gasoline in Geelong at 9 a.m. I've heard great things about this one.
Too.
I wouldn't be surprised if we try to get down there.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, looks good. Now, we've been to this one. I love this one. But yeah, it's Broadford Cars and Coffee in Broadford. What a fantastic place.
It's so
you can fall in love with that town. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Nice cafes, bakery. Yeah, it's
yeah, that's going to kick off at 9 a.m.
Yeah, that's a good one to go to.
Our friend Anthony, Mr. McDuff Media himself, he will be out there. So if you catch him, he'll be walking around with his camera and stuff, I'm sure. So say good day to him for us. Moving on this epic Sunday.
Still going.
We have Prostreet Cars and Coffee at TRE Automotive in Derrimut, and that's going to kick off at 9 a.m. Then we have Born and Thread. They're having a tea and coffee show at Bayswater at 9 a.m. Then we have, a lovely, a two-wheel event. Come ride with the Rockers. That's a bike ride at Yarra Glen at 10 a.m. Cool. Have a good day, guys. That'll be cool. Hastings Peninsula Cruises. They're having a foreshore car show at 10 a.m. Oh, what a beautiful spot.
Hastings. Yeah, I like Hastings. Heaps of cool cars turn up there too. Crazy cars. So
great atmosphere too, isn't it? I really like it. Nice and chill down there. Then still, this is the last for Sunday, I swear. We've got Classic Muscle Car Club. They're having Cars, Food and Wine Festival, and that's at Shannons Winery at 10 a.m.
Yeah, I like Shannons Winery. We have been there before.
Beautiful, wasn't it? A bit cold when we went out there, so it should be a little, I don't know.
See what the weather is.
Yeah, it's a beautiful spot though. You'll enjoy that, that's for sure. AutoFest Ballarat, out in Ballarat there. That's kicking off at 10 a.m. and that's a charity event as well. So please get out and help the charities. We love that. Then we have Kingpin Customs Show and Shine, and that's in Somerville at the Somerville Hotel at 10 a.m. And then lucky last, nice, HD and HR Holden Victorian Titles. And that's going to be at the Shannons Showroom in Heatherton at 10 a.m. Wow, what a mega Sunday. I don't think you could hear anyone say there wasn't enough events on this Sunday.
Oh, there's something, and it's all around. There's something everywhere. So hopefully someone's got something that's close to them if they want to go too close. Otherwise, you can go for a nice cruise and get out. Yeah, it's great. So there is one more finishing up the week, which is Wednesday night, and that is JDM night at Glenny Kebabs at 7 p.m. So that should be a good one too.
Well, with all those events, you know what would be good? Wearing Mintox t-shirts and jumpers, hats, hoodies, all that sort of stuff. That'd be cool to wear at the events. Cool. And speaking of that, we'll move into Shop Talk.
So, Shop Talk. So we do have our service sticker t-shirt on sale for this month. So definitely head there, look at that. The t-shirt is on sale, available in hoodies, heaps of other t-shirts. We also have different designs. Some of the extra sort of admin we were doing on the weekend was actually revamping the website. So when we first started, it wasn't sort of as great as it could be. So we've been spending a bit of time doing that, and so excited to get that released. And that should be released on Friday evening. So new look, a little bit different, a bit clearer. Yeah, can't wait for that. So definitely head to mintoxstreetlegends.com and check that out.
Yeah, lots of great stuff on there for sure.
Yeah, definitely is. So just to mention as well that thank you for anybody that sent in the events. We really do appreciate it. And if you do have any events you'd like us to mention or go to, you can email us at streetlegendscorner@gmail.com as well. But if you do see us out, definitely do come up, say hi, grab a free Mintox sticker. We really love meeting you, talking about your rides, chatting. Yeah, it's so exciting. I love going out every weekend and meeting new people.
Yeah, definitely building the Mintox family. I really want the family feel for this group. And we all support each other. We like all your cars. There's no one left out. We like your projects, your street beasts, your drag cars. We love it all. So please join the family. If you don't see us out this weekend though, you can always tune back in next Thursday and catch another episode of Street Legends Corner. If you do miss an episode, you can always tune in. We have an extra Facebook page. It's Street Legends Corner. And you can catch older episodes or even this episode now if you don't want to search through the Mintox page. There's a page that's easier for you to get it and find out what events are on. So that should help you out a little bit there. Other than that, thank you very much for watching and have a fantastic weekend.
Bye.
Bye.